I'm going to start day trading with $0. Step 1, we're going to build a business from nothing, generate at least $100, and then start day trading. Total of 2 months to actually get enough money to actually start trading. Now we begin. Oh, we're out. $200 profit. Yo, let's go. No way, we closed at 37.30. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna start day trading with $0. Step 1, we're gonna build a business from nothing, generate at least $100, and then start day trading. Whatever business we do decide to build, all the money that we make from that business will then roll over into trading. So I scrolled through TikTok and YouTube to figure out what business idea I should go with to actually make this first $100. I stumbled across this brand that's actually doing custom dog portraits, and they're actually doing very well. A little bit of backstory: before I dropped out of college, I actually majored in architecture. I was 3 years into an architecture degree, and most of the time, and a lot of the time, we spent doing Photoshop. Now, I already have experience with Photoshop because of that, so this is going to be this is definitely going to be a business model that we can go through. Literally, all we would have to do is take in people's request for their dog picture and then crop it onto something fancy and make it look realistic. This is something I can definitely do. So we got started. We opened up an Etsy store and we got to working. We went ahead and got Google pictures of dogs and put them onto Renaissance oil paintings and made them look pretty realistic. It took 38 hours for me to actually get 20 of these, and I also had to make mock photos for them. I also had to make stock images for them. The stock images actually took most of the time because every single design I had to recrop the actual the dimensions of the actual designs. So this actually took a lot of time, but we was actually able to get 20 listings up and we started rolling. Once we had 20 listings up, we started to get a little bit of views to the store. We did not get much for the first week. I think we maxed out like 3 or 4 or 5 views a day. That was literally about it. We didn't make our first sale until like 2 or 3 weeks into this. We actually didn't really do well for the first like 2 or 3 weeks. We made our first sale, I think, at the second week, and it started rolling in a little bit more after then. We realized that we had to get more views, and the best way to do that without paying for marketing was to link the Etsy account onto Pinterest. And from there, we would be able to upload our listings as pins onto Pinterest and get a lot more views. This was very, very good, as it took us an extra 2 months to actually get our $100 goal. I honestly believed if I didn't do this, I would not have actually reached the $100 goal. It would have took forever. It probably would have took 6 months, maybe longer, or I probably wouldn't have gotten it at all. It did take longer because we don't have money for marketing, so we had to go ahead and go with the free advertising onto Pinterest, and it actually worked. It took us a total of 2 months to actually get enough money to actually start trading. Now we begin. So unfortunately, I actually lost the footage of the first 2 trades. That's very unfortunate. It's completely my fault. But I promise you, I'm not lying. We made 2 profitable trades. I can show you the snapshot of the entire challenge that we did this for. We traded for a couple of days and then we stopped to end this, and then traded for a couple of days and then we stopped. I will show the entire trading history. I'm not lying. I lost the footage for the first, but we got most of the other ones. We're heading into trade number 3. Here is how it went. All right, guys. So I want to go ahead and recap all the trades I did today. So far, this is the 4th trade that I just entered. We did 1 trade here. We shorted for $12 profit. We got in at 42.34, and we shorted and closed it at 42.05. It's right here. Second trade, we got in right here, 42.30, 42.32, no, 41.80. Sorry. Anyways, these are all the trades I've done today. This is the one we recently just stopped out at. I think it was this one, or yeah, it was this one. This one was recently the 8:30. So we did 12.02 here, 16.01. So this was 12.02, 16.01, and then this one was 8:30. And then right now we're in this one right here, and we are currently up 7%. We did not get my entire balance in because I thought it would go a little bit higher. I thought it would at least get to like this top candle before it started going back down again, but this candle just took it down pretty hard. I thought it would get a little bit higher, so we were saving a little bit to get back in. And if we see right here, we're starting to see the sell pressure starting to slowly decrease. On the 5 minute, It's kind of random. Like it's going down, then it's going back up, but there's no buying. So we zoom out a little bit on the buy. The sell candle is just going up on the 5 minute. It just keeps going up. So we could probably get down to like 4,000. But I don't know if I'm gonna ride it all the way down there. I might just take my 10% profit soon and then look for another short entry. But yeah, good day today so far. I think we've locked in. We started with like $100 and now we're at 148. So let me just double check the math. So that's 1203, 1602, 831, and then this trade right here, let's just say $5. That puts us at $41. That's about right, give or take. So that's pretty good. You know, that's 41% growth on my account. So that's really good. We're starting to see this bounce a little bit back up. We might look for another short soon. If it gets to like 40.80, we'll probably look for some shorts. I would say even a little bit higher, maybe 40.80 for 45.
A few moments later.
All right, market is super volatile right now. Trying to get out of this short position. Whoa, what's going on now? Uh-oh. What's going on? Trying to get out of this, but it's like, come on. Oh my god. Can't tell if oh my lord, this is all over the place.
Meanwhile,
all right, quick update. The price is still tanking and we're actually up 136%. We're still not able to cash out on this position. This is $186, which is crazy. This will bring the account to $333, which would bring me at a humongous profit today. I mean, I only started with $100 today, and the selling looks like it's just gonna keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're back. Come on, I think we're here. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see if we can get out the middle there. 38. Shit, we'll get out at 38.20. 37. 37.40. Oh my god. 37, 30, 100%. We'll get out. Come on, let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go. Come on. Are we out? No way. It's what is this bullshit? 37.50. Come on, let me get out 37.50. Brody, what's going on? Oh, we're out. We're out. Oh, $200 profit. Yo, let's go. No way. We closed at 37.30. Jesus Christ. I honest to God did not think I would get anywhere near close that much. Wow. Holy fuck. Alright, so we know what this means. There's going to be a huge bounce back up. I'm scared to even think about going for a long here. So I'm going to just wait for the bounce back. It's probably going to be somewhere between this range. It might even touch this yellow line depending on how far this yellow line curves. Like if we see a curve, like it's probably going to do something like that. So it'll probably touch somewhere around here. We can look to short this line once we're starting to see sell pressure decrease as well. So Jesus Christ. Alright guys, it hasn't even been 10 minutes. This trade is doing very well. We should have went a little bit heavier into this trade, but honestly, it's a super risky trade. We are up 27% on this trade right now. I'm going to lower my stop loss to 37.85. So worst case scenario, we will only be making, you know what, might as well put this at 90. I'm gonna put this at 37.90. Worst case scenario, we only make $12. And we got stopped out 37.90. Good enough. We take $10 profit on that. Easy money. Easy money. We finished this with like 15-16% profit, so that's fine with me. Today is just a crazy day for trading. We haven't lost a single trade today, which is insane. We're 6-0 today. 6-0 today. It's really good. Might actually start to head low. I mean, it's supposed to hit some sort of, it's probably supposed to hit this line once the line comes closer and then come back down further. We'll look for a short there, but there's an insane amount of volume going on right now, so we're just gonna keep trying to get these wins. It would have been nice if I was able to actually put more into this trade. We would have made 15%. If I put my whole balance here, we would have made like $100. I mean, like $100. Oh, probably not 100. We would have made like $40 or something. Anyways, I will get with you on the next trade. Alright guys, we're seeing a lot of buying starting to dry up on this ascending wedge. I think it's gonna break below and retest this bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter a short. We're entering on 7x leverage, and we're just gonna enter this short. There we go. I'm gonna put a stop loss probably at like, what is this? We entered 2.6. I'll put a stop loss right here. So that's 2%. We'll lose 14. $1.7. It's 12%. We'll lose $40 on the stop loss, and our target will be we can have a target. Where's my target at? I will put a 2-to-1 risk ratio, so 3.44. We'll put 3.5, might as well. Alright, so that's gonna be like 37.88. That's $80. Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep since it's 4 a.m. right now. I'm probably gonna read some manga before I go to sleep and just keep an eye on this, but it looks like it might be a decent trade. A lot of the buy volume is calming down and some sell volume is starting to enter, and right now we're in an ascending wedge, so if it does fall, which it looks like it's starting to do, it should break below these levels and test back down here, but we're gonna try to get out before it gets this low. We might try to get out you know, within this area. We'll try to get out because that's still a very good range. You know, we'll be profiting how much will we put? 3.5. times 7, we'll be profiting 24%, so that's really good. Let's just 25%. So I'm checking with you guys tomorrow to see how this trade goes. So far we're at 362. So if we lose this trade, get stopped out, we'll be at 322 tomorrow, which is still good, you know. Here's the breakdown for today. We did get stopped out on this long position that we were trying to do, or a short. I think it was a long or a short. I don't remember. It was a short. We got stopped out on a short for $6. So technically we're 7-1 today. We got $12 profit here. 04, 16 here, 832. I mean, if you count this as a profit, you know, by all means. 2105. These last two trades -6 plus 13.77. So we're up $246 today, which is really good. And this trade should be profitable. I mean, we'll see how it looks out tomorrow. Here are all my trades I did today. I got 2 wins over here, win here. This is the break even, the 76 cents that was on the thing. This one, and we did this one, and we lost this one right here. We went for a long. Where was it? We went for a long somewhere here. I can't find it. Oops. Sorry, we went for a short. We went for a short somewhere around here, and we got stopped out. This was the $6 we lost here. Let me make sure I write that down. All right, so this is 2 days later. We finished trading, and I mean, it went as well as it could have went. We start with $100 and we ended off with $334.08. That's $234.08 profit, with a win-loss of 10 wins, 5 losses. So that's actually pretty good. You can see the last 4 trades, I've only won 1 out of the last 4. Once I started seeing that downward, once I started losing a bunch, I was like, all right, we're gonna stop the challenge. We just spent a very long time actually getting to this point. We need to stop the challenge here. So we are stopping the challenge here. We're going to continue again. I feel like I need to study a lot more. I've been watching a lot of large streamers that are really good at trading, and all of them specifically stated this is literally the worst time to start trading, because end of the year, December and January, is literally the worst period to trade across all markets. So I'm going to take their advice and stop. I will continue trading probably late January, early February, and we will continue the trading series from there. Hopefully we can get to $1,000, and we will be making episode 2 and 3 and so on. But for now, this is definitely going to be a stop here. I'm realizing that when I go long, it doesn't work. When I go short, it doesn't work. The market at the moment is just extremely choppy. I don't see it being very profitable at the moment. So we're gonna stop. We're gonna keep studying. We're gonna get better, and we're going to get back at this. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this long, thank you guys for watching. This is the whole trade log right here. I did not lie. These are all the trades, not photoshopped. I mean, it's not too impressive either to Photoshop, but hope you guys enjoyed. We will be making more, so see you guys then. Peace.